ace badminton player and lovely human being, Ms. Saina Nehwal.
Thank you, Outlook. Thank you, dignitaries, for giving me this award. Yeah, till the Olympics, I was so happy with the social media. I've been winning titles. I've been achieving so much for India, and sharing my experiences with my friends and my well-wishers. And till the Olympics, I was always getting good replies, good wishes from all of them. But the only time I was a little sad was when I got the injury during the Olympics, and it was a little sad to see the Twitter and Facebook because I was only getting negative comments. And it was a little disappointing, but yes, as I heard from Amitabh sir and Twinkle ma'am, that even they face it every day, so I think it's just a part of life and I have to go with it. And now I've learned
from it. The way you
from
responded to that was extremely classy. Kudos to you for that. Honestly.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
There are ways and ways of dealing with trolls and negativity, but you dealt with it with a great deal of class.
Thank you so much. But yeah, because I know everyone is going to face it. It's not easy. It's not going to be easy for a sports person. And badminton is such a physically demanding game. I love my parents for that, for putting me in such a difficult game. But I sometimes even feel bad that, when sometimes I lose, how people feel about it. But I think they should also take it sportingly. It's not an easy sport, but still, now sports person like me, Sindhu and all are doing really well, and getting a name in badminton, which I think people never thought about 10 years back, that we can do in something, some sport like badminton where only Chinese, Asian countries dominate so much. But I'm so proud of Indian badminton that we're doing so well, and I hope, not this time, but next time I can change the color of my Olympic medal and I will do well. So thank you so much.
Before you go, you actually took your fans and followers through your surgery and healing process. Any reason why you did that, or how come?
I think they should know what exactly happened because there was no time for me to tell them during the Olympics what exactly happened to me. In fact, I didn't know. It was surprising to me as well that, I thought it was just a fat pad inflammation in my knee. But after I got back to India, I got to know that I had a spur in my knee and the bone actually broke while I was playing there. So it was a very difficult moment for me. I wanted people to know that what exactly happened. I went through the surgery. I was actually feeling, will I be able to play again? And but all thanks to the doctor, he did the surgery, and now I'm back doing full fitness. Hopefully in 2 weeks I'll be on court and playing tournaments soon. So thank you so much.
You are indeed our pride and joy, and that's why we're not going to let you go. Just yet one more question. You have huge superstars like Mr. Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan following you and constantly congratulating you on your many successes. How does that feel?
No, I just love them. Both of them are such a beautiful person. I don't feel, when I stand in front of them, I don't see them as stars now. I see them as such down-to-earth people who speak just normally like us. So I'm a great fan of both of them, and it's again, I feel blessed that both of them are following me, and they keep following my tournaments. So it's a special feeling for me. So I would like to thank both of them for that.
On this opportunity, I'm going to say I'm a big fan of her, and I want to take a selfie with her.
Thank you, Manu.
So we're going to get the Twitter mirror going once again. Works for you? Okay. Thank you very much. A big round of applause for the very lovely Saina Nehwal.